In this video, we'll show you how to create an organization after setting up your class ID. The organization represents your legal entity, which also includes your company name, shipping and billing address as well as shop permission. To create an organization, go to the upper right corner, click on the Class ID button, and select Organization Settings. Click Add Organization. Now a window opens with general information about an organization. Clicking on Next will start the creation process. The first step is to fill in all information regarding your farm, such as name or address. In the second step, you can choose your preferred dealer. In the third step, you can ask for shop access. If you want to choose a different dealer for the shops, you can do that after creating your organization. In the last step, you can check your set data and edit it if needed. Clicking on Finish will finalize the creation of your organization. You will now get a notification that your organization will be verified. After that, your machines can be onboarded.